Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Clarendon and we're going to look at the construction of the widest bridge in Jamaica. Now, Highway 2000 is our project. Excellent, it's actually the longest road in Jamaica, Highway 2000. But it was a project to connect Jamaica with highways. And excellent project. The government did an excellent job in doing this project, but it was done in phases because of the cost and the time. So one phase, the highway was to originally run from Kingston to Mandeville, but it was done in two phases. So phase one is completed, which takes you from Kingston, well, not phase one, the Kingston to Maypen phase is completed. So you can drive from Kingston to Maypen on the PJ Patterson Highway. Now the government is building the highway, the section from Maypen to Mandeville. It's actually going to run from the Rio Mino Bridge in Maypen, in Clarendon, all the way to Williamsfield in Mandeville. So we're going to take a look at the Rio Mino Bridge, which is going to be the widest bridge in Jamaica when finished. And that's also where the existing highway is going to connect to the highway that they're building now. So when finished, Highway 2000 or the PJ Patterson Highway will run from Kingston all the way to Mandeville, and you'll be able to leave Kingston and reach Mandeville in 45 minutes. So as we said, Highway 2000 was an excellent project, and that's just one section of the Highway 2000. You have another section that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios, which is also completed, and then you're going to have a section that takes you from Maypen to Discovery Bay, and then another section that takes you from Mandeville to Montego Bay. So when this project is totally finished, it's going to be probably the greatest road network in Jamaica. But okay, we turn left there, we go on the Maypen bypass. Turn left here, we go on the existing highway, PJ Patterson Highway to Kingston. That part is the finished part. Now straight ahead is the Rio Mino Bridge. So at that bridge, you probably won't see it, but that bridge is directly lined up to the PJ Patterson Road there. So we're heading down now to take a look at the bridge to see how far they've reached. So this is the construction of the widest bridge in Jamaica. It's going to be 4 lanes. Now if you look at the bridge, the Rio Mino Bridge, where I have the green thing, and then you look at the existing Maypen bypass bridge. The existing bridge is 2 lanes, and you see how narrow it is. And then this new bridge now is going to be 4 lanes, and you can see how wide it is. So you really have to admire the progress going on in Jamaica. Jamaica really has some super highways on the way. And this project they say it's over more than 50% complete. I think I heard 60%. I'd have to double check that though, but it's definitely well on the way. And China Harbour Engineering Company is the company building the highway. So that's the Rio Mino Bridge, and it's so called because it goes over the Rio Mino River. Now we're going to get a better look at the bridge. We're going to go down to the bottom of the bridge. We're in a four-wheel drive vehicle, so I don't think we'll have a problem getting out. And now we're going to get a very nice view of the bridge. I'm trying to think where else in Jamaica has a 4-lane bridge. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below, because those bridges that take you over to Portland and St. Thomas, I think they're 2 lanes. So, but the National Works Agency says this will be the widest bridge in Jamaica, and they would know. They are in charge of all the main roads and the bridges on those main roads. So this is a Rio Mino bridge. Definitely is very wide. I know there's a very long bridge in Junction up by St. Mary. I think they call it the Westmoreland Bridge. But I've always wondered, why do they call it the Westmoreland Bridge and it's in St. Mary? But that's all, I've always remembered that. Alright, so this bridge looks like it's almost complete. So you guys leave a comment in the section below telling us what you think of this bridge. It's definitely much larger than the existing bridge for sure. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the bridge. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.